love. Share this out. Share this out. Total hits. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all been doing well. It's like Bitcoin is in for some more downside, maybe. If we lose this VWAP here, a lot of sideways action. VWAP's curving up on the bottom. What am I on, the 15-minute? Okay. Alright. Let's see what we got going here. Let's see what it's doing. Oh yeah, 94.2. 15 minutes. Market cipher's pointing up. Got a general direction there. We want to keep that intraday VWAP. If you want to see higher prices, I think what was I looking at before on the 5-minute? Yeah, we was losing it. Ooh, there's the rain. Lovely rainy day in Louisiana. Oh. Yeah, we was losing the VWAP here on the 5-minute, but that money flow was curving up with a real good curve on VWAP. It wasn't jagged like over here, just beautiful curve. So I didn't think we'd lose it, or I don't think. But if money flow is coming out, money flow is coming in on the 1-minute. It looks janky. I was just about to say we're on breakout over here. I got Bollinger Bands, and we're hitting the bottom band right now, so we very well could be coming back above this VWAP. Let's zoom out a bit. Sideways. Momentum. That's I figured we should too. VWAP shooting straight down. We're probably going to lose this. Money flows deep in the red. Well, I wouldn't say deep. It's getting higher. That's deep in the red. That ain't fucking deep at all. It just looks deep. Hour VWAP. Nice little spike down. Look at that money flow curving down. Oh man, looking at it. It's probably coming down some more. Unless this VWAP can bounce off the zero line. But How long we got? We got exactly 4 hours, and this is the first scan, and it opened way below the VWAP. Not looking too good, ladies and gentlemen. And you're losing the 786. Really starting to get a little curve there. You very well could get rejected off that fucking zero line though. Money flow coming down hard. I think this song is right. I think that's exactly what's gonna happen. She's going down. She's gonna dump. Oh, she's got a dump. Fucking dump. You understand me? If you like the music, Board Cyborg, check them out. Link is description below. You understand me? Yeah, I think that's exactly what it's called. So what am I gonna do? Maybe wait for it to hit its head on this VWAP. Have money flow coming out. Because that is an upward. I mean, it's been moving up. Here's your goods playing out. On that 5 minutes. The money flow is getting a bounce up to 60. VWAP's about to cross over. That'd be cool. I'd probably take that. To confirm it though. Maybe catch like I said, hit that little VWAP, hit your head on the VWAP, that last little red dot around the zero line, have that money flow coming out, losing VWAP. We'll put it in the short. Because that doesn't look good on the 1 hour. 4 hour, that shit doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. Money flow curving to the downside. VWAP right there. We could bounce off the zero line. Doesn't look like it. But if we did bounce off the zero line, that would give more curvature to that daily, I'm sure. So 1 hour doesn't look good. 4 hour not looking good. 15 is where we're trying to pick the trade. VWAP's curving up, but it has enough room to zigzag down here. I understand. Got the order ready. See if it's gonna happen. Curious. General direction, marketcipher B is to the upside. Money flow curving up. It was curving back down in this 5 minute. Looks like we might lose it. What I'm hoping for, we can smack our head on this VWAP and catch the money flow coming out on the 15 right here. I'd like a red dot right around that 0 line under VWAP with money flow coming out, and we got the trade ready. It's like I was saying on the 1 hour. 1 hour looks like shit. And then the 4 hour not looking good. Money flow curving down. VWAP could cross over. Not saying it can bounce. It can very well bounce. I don't see it happening. But I've been wrong before. What do I know? Under VWAP, well, we just opened not too long ago, 15 minutes ago. Heavy candle under VWAP. So I'm just assuming that VWAP on marketcipher B is going to cross over. And we all know what it does when it crosses over. Either to the upside or downside. Price reacts. Money flow coming out heavy on the daily. Not a lot of support. You got some spider lines. You need to hold. Really, you'd like to hold around 92, 90. Yeah, really, right here, huh? This spider line, more than likely. You want to hold that spider line, the OG spider line. If not, last line of defense is going to be 87K. There's nothing there to catch you. Nothing. I mean, sure it's spider lines, but just talking about volume, no volume there. As quick as it went up, as quick as it shot through all those spider lines, it'll shoot right through them. And what? We're back down to fucking 68K. Excuse my language. I'm trying not to cuss as much. Okay. Well, yeah, that's what we're hoping for. I want to take the short. We got the short ready on the 15. Now it very well could turn into a long. Money flow's coming up. Hopefully we can hit our head on the VWAP. Ooh. Yep. It looks like some downward action here soon. Yeah, that VWAP comes crashing down. We're gonna continue down. See what the 1 minute's doing. Not looking good. If this starts to curve over, what we got? 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Let's see. Usually you lose money flow under the VWAP, or you gain money flow as you're coming above the VWAP. Price acts accordingly. Fatality. She's coming up. The view up. curve down though. That money flow doesn't look good. And like I said on the higher top frames, 1 hour. God, that's ugly. 4 hour. RSI is gapped. Money flow is not looking good. To the downside. Keep an eye on this 5 minute for a second. See the VWAP shooting up. See if we're gonna hit our head or we're gonna reclaim it and have money flow bounce. We're gonna have the money flow bounce off the 60, start going back up. See, something that not quite as close to the 60 here, but or the zero line. Excuse me. 60s are down here. Anyway. Or are we gonna just hit our head on some resistance? Because you got the VWAP, spider line, and then there's a 786 pretty damn close. Yeah, right here. Right there. Surely. Freaking, I don't know.
You might got one more shot.
You might only got one more shot.
You might only got one more shot.
Kind of looking bullish on markets like 1 hour. I mean, that looks like shit for sure. But zooming out, shit is up.
Surely you take profit, man.
15 minute. Getting higher.
Surely.
Really a lot of good divergences though. This was your best one. Just watch this 5 minute. See? Look at it. Starting to curve up. Coming up to our VWAP. We gonna reclaim it and continue? Or is it going to act as resistance here? So good question. You are still shooting pretty straight. That VWAP is shooting pretty straight. Let's just wait and see. Because I really wouldn't mind making a higher high with lower divergences and money flow coming out. keep an eye on this 5 minute for a second. Let's see the 1 minute. What you doing? Money flow coming out. Get your head on the VWAP. See, that could have been it if money flow was coming out, but now it's curving up. I'm not taking it. It's not doing what I wanted it to do. Bam. Sharp increase. Oh yeah, we still got plenty of room to run. But like I said, I'm just hoping we kind of bang around and we lose this VWAP with the 5 minute money flow coming out, along with that 15 minute coming out. But they are both curving to the upside. So that is not, it's not playing out like we wanted.
You might got one more shot.
Oh, I know.
You might only got one more shot.
That's probably better. Anyway, I don't know if my music's been too loud, and if it has been, I apologize. I turned it down on my freaking audio, but that doesn't work. I got to do it in the OBS studio. Anyway, get our head on the VWAP. We need money flow coming out. I don't know. You could long. You reclaim. You got nothing but upward momentum. Nothing but upward momentum. We could very well flip long if we reclaim this VWAP. Now hopefully we can put in a new trigger wave. Way above the 60. Have some room to work. A little room to work. We'll have to wait and see. See what that 5's doing. It's curving down now. Still generally up. Could put in some gives here as well. Losing the money flow though. This could be exactly what we want. I don't like that though. I need the 15 to back me just a little bit better than this. Catch a red dot right around here. But man, generally plays out exactly what it's doing. I don't think I'm gonna take it unless that 15 starts to look better. Shooting up, I need it to start coming back down. Let it come back down. And this is what we got, 1%. Kind of risk 1%. That's like what, a $500 swing. Let's do it. But we very well could flip long. Very well could flip long. We're just gonna wait and see. We're getting what we wanted on the 5 minute. Hitting our head on that VWAP. Money flow's coming down. VWAP still shooting up. Hopefully we can get one more little red dot on the 5 minute around the 0 line.
Get NFL Sunday Ticket and YouTube TV to watch up to
I don't
4
think so,
games
guy.
live at once with multi-view.
Fucking out of here. You saved my fucking life. Let's see. Damn commercials. Oh, and a red dot around the 0 line on the 15 as well with money flow coming out. But we need to be losing the VWAP. You know, confirming it as resistance. But looks like we could be bouncing this money flow off the 0 line. Reclaim the VWAP. And make some higher highs here. Well, that's very possible too. We have to be prepared for both situations. That's what it looks like. How deep is the top on the 1 minute? Okay. Pretty deep. VWAP's coming down. Let's see. But money flow is coming in. You're regaining VWAP with money flow coming in on that 1 minute. You very well could see a little bounce up. It's always a nice strategy. The money flow and VWAP. It very well could flip long. We got plenty of room to run on that momentum. Plenty of room to run. Let's see. You gonna hold the VWAP, or is she gonna become resistance? Let's find out. Yeah, she's pushing up here. Reclaiming the VWAP. Money flow is coming right back up. You got your general momentum to the upside here. Oh yeah. Like I said, she had room to run. Okay. So we're just waiting to see if we're going to reclaim VWAP as support or if it's going to continue as resistance. VWAP shooting straight up, RSI is tight, shooting straight up. Money flows coming up, as well as the 15 minute. The 15 minute is going to confirm it. But if we can put in a higher high and clip off right here, probably coming back down. I don't even know if you could make the higher high. Such sideways. But general direction, market cipher B here. It's going up. The momentum is going up. VWAP just crossed over. Money flow's coming up. General direction, the momentum is to the upside. That was ugly. The 4 hour. She could bounce up to 0. Money flow's curving. What do we got? 3.5 hours. Let's see if we're going to hold the VWAP here. The intraday VWAP. Is she going to become our support? Money flow's coming up. You got the VWAP. Might put in a little long here. She has plenty of room. Yeah, fuck that. My initial thought when I got on was probably going down. But if we can reclaim the VWAP, have money flow come into the 1 minute, and it could be a fake out. Yeah, especially with that But this is what we wanted to see initially. Hit our head on the VWAP. Put in a couple of red dots close to the 0 line. And I need that 15-minute money flow coming out with some red dots. At least one more red dot close to the 0 line. Probably under VWAP. And I need money flow coming out. And that will be the move. watch this 5 minute. Watch the 5 minute. That VWAP. It can just ebb and flow. It has a little crackdown in it, but it could very well just keep moving up and not start forming on the momentum. RSI is tight, shooting up. Yep. Could be it. As long as money flow keeps coming in on this 1 minute. That could be the splash. You wait for the splash on the VWAP. That could have been it. A sharp spike up. Probably gonna shoot up a bit. Well, good place for a little long. Like I said. Reclaiming VWAP, money flow coming in. Plenty of room to run on your momentum. Around 60. Got your splash. Bounce off that zero line some. And if that's the case, instead of looking for that short under the VWAP, we'll wait for this 15 minute to confirm, and we'll go long off of it. Wait for that 15 minute to confirm it. Perhaps even the 5. Come down here, confirm it, get your splash on the 5. You got how it worked on the 1. It won't probably be as long because it's a 1 minute. You know, you'll take a little bit of profit right here. Get your splash, let it ride up. Same on the 5. You want to get your little splash, confirm it as your support, along with the 15. Now, if we clip here, well, money flow is coming up. Well, I feel good about that. Same on the 15. We could be looking for the log. You got to be prepared for both situations. Could be looking for a long off the VWAP. We come back down, touching the VWAP, as long as money flow is still looking good. And this VWAP on marketcipher B is crossing the 0 line. Here, if price is touching support and this VWAP is crossing the 0 line, you can expect it to bounce. As long as money flow is still looking good. Plenty of room to run on the momentum. Well, I need to go refill my coffee. And I'll be back. We'll sit here. What is this? 1 minute? Let's watch the 1 minute. Let's see what she's gonna do. If we want a long, we need to make sure the VWAP is our support. Need her to confirm the support here. Money flow has come in. Plenty of room to run on your momentum. VWAP's curving up. We're coming down to the VWAP on your intraday VWAP here. And your marketcipher B VWAP is crossing the 0 line or getting ready to cross the 0 line. And price action is around these levels. You can expect a bounce. But we'll have to wait and see. It doesn't look like that's going to be the case, does it? Unless we get a sharp turn to the upside here in the next 10 seconds. I'll wait and see, but I am going to go make some more coffee. So, let's see. There's the sharp uptick. Yeah, that could be it. Let's see. She could be our support. That would seem to be the case. Oh, we'll be right back. Oh, a bounce. Who said that would happen? I'm not sure. Yep. Money flow still looking good. Looks like we could keep VWAP as support. You need to confirm it on the 5. Make sure she's gonna hold on some of these higher time frames, the 5 and the 15. 15's coming down a little bit in the money. VWAP still shooting straight. She's a straight shooter. Looks like we're about to get the chance to confirm the VWAP as support here on the 5 minute. Money flow coming up, looking good. VWAP is coming down. You can expect it. I mean, it could curve up and this wave keep going for sure. But looks like we could be pinching off here. Damn, look at her. Look at her go. There's that bounce. There's the bounce. Damn it. I'm not in a trade, although I should have took that one. Right here. So it looks like a good spot for a long. Claiming the VWAP. Money flow coming in. Plenty of room to run on the momentum. And then she did this. I was like, well, maybe not. And now she's doing this. Trust your TA. Right here. I trusted my TA. But I also don't want to lose. But that was a winner. Can't be so nervous. But I would like some confidence. Still plenty of room on this momentum. Even if you clip another red dot. Let's confirm it on these higher time frames. Let's confirm the VWAP as our support. We haven't missed it yet. See if we can't get a bounce from the zero line a little bit. Not the zero, not maybe all the way at the zero, but close to it. Like we did on the 5 here. Generally speaking though, momentum is going up. We have momentum to the upside. That's on the 15 and the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks pretty ugly, but momentum to the upside for sure. See what the money flow is doing. She is coming up here. Back above the VWAP. Man, that's just... Look at those wicks. Holy John. Four hour. I could see us bouncing off the zero. Money flow looks like it could curve down. We open above the VWAP, the intraday VWAP. I feel pretty good about some moves to the upside. Need to make sure she holds. Got to make sure she holds. And if not, I'd like to start coming back and doing live intraday VWAP resets. See if we can't catch moves off of those. Let's see, where's the last reset? Right here. Nothing really. Not that I look for anyway. She's still got room to run. Money flow is shooting straight up. That was the entry point. Right there with the money flow crossover. Plenty of room to run on your momentum. She just took off. You're above your VWAP. It's not too shabby for a scalp. But let's confirm this VWAP as support on this 5 minute, as well as this 15. General momentum is to the upside. It's a good candle above the VWAP too. But you need the splash. You need that there splash. We could be getting it on the 5 minute here. Here soon. 1 minute still pumping, huh? There she looks, she's about to cross back over. Plenty of room to run. That means the VWAP's just gonna get a little higher each time. She's still got some room to run. This VWAP crosses over here. She did. Money flow, thick, shooting straight up. Above your VWAP. There she goes. More room. She's not done, ladies and gentlemen. She is fighting back. Looks like your VWAP's gonna curve up a bit, perhaps. I'd like to confirm. I wonder if this. No. Then we lost it. Now we're back above it. I don't know. General momentum still says up, especially on this 15 and the 1 hour. We're just says up, and now you're getting up. Money flow is coming up, looking good. Looking good for a bounce. Especially if we come up to this 786, close above the 786, take that spider line back. Looking good for a bounce. The VWAP is still on the 4 hour, still above the 0 line. Even though she might be looking down, she could very well just bounce off of it. Ooh. Still got room to run. Money flow's thick. Momentum's still high. VWAP's looking like it's gonna curve right back up. I'd like to confirm the VWAP on the 5 minute as support, as well as the 15. With money flow maybe coming out a bit, but then curving up close to the 0 line while we confirm the VWAP as support. We already got our general direction to the upside. We confirm our support here, which, I mean, looks like it's been confirmed a couple times. Not really though. Crashing through it. She's holding it though pretty well throughout that whole sideways movement there. She held it pretty well. She might be support. I think it's going to be the 5 minute that gets us in. Gets us in to win. Especially if we can put in some freaking divs somewhere. Looks like we could be coming down a bit with this VWAP crossing the zero line. She could bounce, but I'd like to see her come down, confirm this VWAP as support, and maybe we can put it in a little long, little schlong long. I think I'd also I'd like to see it on the 15 for sure. But if we can clip a green dot here around the zero line while confirming support on the 15, money flow still in the green, I think that'd be a nice little bounce. We got the bounce on the 1 minute. But it's not my last, homie. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. Said nice little, looks like a nice little long right here. She would have worked. Like money flow and VWAP, they work well together. Alright, so that's the plan for today. We're going off the VWAP. Either we're going to hold it, or we're going to lose it. Either we're going to long it, or we're going to short it. That is the plan. We're either going to long it, or we're going to short it. Okay? There's no other options. That's our plans for today. Either we're going long, or we're going short. Keep it nice and simple. Okay. Well, I think that'll do it for the stream. I'm going to try to come back tonight at 6 o'clock p.m. my time for the intraday VWAP reset. See if we can't get in a little entry point somewhere. We'll have to wait and see. But that should do it for me. Hope everyone had a good time. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being here. If you like the music, Lord Cyborg, music is in the description below. I appreciate all you guys for tuning in. Have a great day. I'm out.